Hi, Ate Cheche. Happy
Birthday!
We love you!
Happy birthday, Cheche! I wish you good health, abundance of wealth, lots of happiness, and lots of love from your family and friends. Because you're a very selfless person, you deserve all of these. And I pray to God that He gives you 50 more years of good life, 50 more years of forgetting your keys, 50 more years of happiness with family and friends. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Cheche. Happy birthday. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. And more production numbers to come. Ayun, so ingat kayo dyan and God bless. Happy birthday again.
Alright, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate!
Yeah, we hope you have a happy birthday and we want you to enjoy it because I'll be joining the 5-0 Club in November. So, you know, just let me know how it is, you know. And just hope you are good health and be happy and enjoy life, you know, after 50. So, you know,
Well, what I can say, happy birthday, have a good health. I wish you all the best, and we'll wait for you here in Dubai with Alexa. I miss you so much, so we'll see you soon. We love you and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Cheshire. Don't worry, you're not getting older. You're just becoming a classic edition. So this is basically rare, valuable, and totally unforgettable. So may your day filled with laughter and love, and of course, your cake. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Cheshire. Don't worry, you're not getting older. You're just becoming a classic edition. So this is basically rare, valuable, and totally unforgettable. So may your day filled with laughter and love, and of course, your cake. Happy birthday.
Hello, Madam Melina. Alam ko matagal ka nang may galit sa akin kasi kaaway ko si Ramiro mo eh. Kidding aside, happy birthday. It's my turn to greet you. More blessings, and alam ko naman na marami kang pinagdaanan at kaya mo yan. Wish you all the best and hope to see you soon again. Happy birthday!
Melina, anak ko, ikaw ay nasaan? Bakit di makita? Ano ang dahilan? Ang nais ko lamang, ikaw ay batiin na isang maligayang at mapagpalang kaarawan. Happy birthday, Che. Love you.
Hi, Che. Happy 50th! Yes, golden na. Masaya yan. Masaya. At alam ko naman, even if you are already 50, you are still a fabulous lady. Always fabulous, di ba? Ayan. Sino ba si Cheche? Naku po, napakadaming characteristics. Siyempre maganda, matalino, talentado. Yes, aba, siya lang naman po ang aming Melina, isa sa mga bida sa aming musical komedya sa St. Andrew's Parish Choir. Si Cheche ay may malaking puso, napaka-generous. Hindi lang sa kanyang pamilya, pati rin sa kanyang mga kamag-anak at kaibigan. Si Cheche ay mapagmahal, super-duper loving na tao to, napaka-sweet. At napakabait na tao. Isa to sa mga taong nakilala ko na talagang ang bait. Kaya Cheche, kahit nasa short video na to, gusto kong sabihin sa iyo na mahal kita. And thank you for all your kindness. Thank you for the love. Kahit malayo tayo, dama ko naman yung love mo lagi sa amin. Lalo na kay Andre. Lagi mong sinasabi yan na mahal mo kaming mag-ina. I know at this 50th year of yours, medyo mahirap mag-celebrate. I know the feeling. There's, the emptiness inside. Pero kaya natin to. Kung nakaya ko, mas makakayanan mo. Basta kapit lang kay Lord. Continue praying to God. Alexa is there, your source of strength. Lahat malalagpasan siya. Walang hindi. Walang imposible sa Kanya. At maraming nagdadasal sa iyo. Kaya, enjoy the day. Enjoy your birthday. Mahal na mahal ka ng pamilya mo. Mahal na mahal ka ng mga kaibigan mo. Mapa-Amerika, mapa-Pilipinas. Isama na natin ang Dubai. Happy, happy birthday. We love you so much. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po, Ninang, and I hope you enjoy your birthday po and stay safe there.
Happy birthday po, thank you po sa lahat ng binigay mo sa amin. Mabuhay pa po kayo. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ate Che. Enjoy your celebration in Vegas. Thank you po sa lahat ng help.
Ate Che, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng help mo sa amin. Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong 50 years mo na birthday at mag-stay healthy ka palagi, mag-iingat ka palagi sa pagdadrive at sa iyong pagtatrabaho, maging successful ka pa at maging blessings ka pa sa lahat ng tao. Maraming salamat. Ito po ang surprise namin. Go.
Sino? Sisi?
Ako na lang. Hindi. Go.
Okay.
Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Cheche! Golden na yung anak ko. Bigyan ka ng lakas ng Diyos. Ilayo ko sa lahat ng anumang sakit, anumang karamdaman, anumang panganib. Huwag tayong makalimot, tumawag sa Diyos at sa Mama Mary, kanyang mami, nanay. Lahat kayo, pinagdadasal namin para sa kaligtasan nating lahat. Bigyan ka ng lakas at kapayapaan. Maging masaya ka. Kasi si nanay, wala nang gagawin. At si tatay, kundi ang may pagdasal kayong lahat. Happy birthday, anak. Okay ka naman.
Happy birthday, anak. Yun na rin ang sasabihin ko, anak.
Mamaya, aalis na yung maalabirin ng Fatima at saka si Nana Siso. Siyam na araw na magbibena kami. Kaya lahat kayo, mag-enjoy dyan at huwag makalimot sa Diyos. Kailangan natin ang tulong ng Diyos. Happy birthday!